Hey YouTube, I just want to show you a little update on what's going on. I've been doing chickens all morning. So we got this Scalder. Got 185 if possible. So we're almost there. We're going to do shrink wrapping bags. Almost got all the chickens done. So this is the setup. You got the Scalder. Then you got the plucker. This is the chicken that sits in the basket, then it pulls out of the water easy. Then you got the plucker, which has worked amazing. We got all the other stuff to go in our compost pile. You got the station over here, where we gut them all. We got the chickens in here. Say hi, Emma.
Hi.
Got all these chickens. We still got more to do. How many do you think are in here, Emma?
I don't know.
And we got those. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. 15 chickens in there. You don't like the killing area. That's the killing zone. I don't want to show you that. Don't worry, those are safe for this year. I'm going to show you what we have left to do. We might continue to do more tomorrow because I got up early and did all those. All right. So these are all that we have left. These are all that we have left. Not bad. We're getting there.
Take it back, you love.
Couple more. So we'll see if we get it done today. If not, we'll see. So see you guys later. Over and out.